there's a storm coming. Fair maiden, is there any honor left in the world today? Fair maiden, is there anybody left in the world to pay? They've taken and given our treasures away. Caught up in the light, they feast upon our rights. Sweeter than honey, now better than lime. Lustin' for money, moral decline. The future's gone awry. Men beg that they will die unless we stop this now. This is Susan Duncan Lee. She's got a problem that she needs to fix. This voter fraud problem goes from Prem Kamboj all the way to Jerry Brown, and they're all guilty. Now she wants the lawsuit back because everyone's involved and somebody's got to clean up the mess.
Hi, Mr. Manning. My name is Susan Lee in the Attorney General's office. I got your messages. You've got attorneys to pursue the action. That's very good. You also said you had questions about the format. Format was not the problem with the previous pleading. It should be styled as a proposed complaint and with points of authorities and evidence and service on the proposed defendant. And so I think the format was acceptable before. If your attorneys have other questions about that, why don't you have them give me a call? And, I look forward to seeing the new pleadings. Thank you.
It was never really explained why she dumped this case in the first place, but I'm thinking it's because of ex parte communication and also the fact that she really doesn't like Christians. Check out the February 3rd, 1999 article in the San Francisco Weekly called Dead Men Not Praying. It's quite bizarre. To give her a full chance, read the article. When you get done, you'll understand what I'm trying to say.
First, save voice message.
Hi Philip, this is Brandon Watson calling from Meg Whitman's office to go ahead and give you our mailing address, and that would be 20813 Stevens, S-T-E-V-E-N-S, Boulevard, Suite 150, and then that's in Cupertino, C-U-P-E-R-T-I-N-O, California, 95014. And my email address is B as in boy, Watts, W-A-T-S-O-N, at megwhitman.com. No less, Philip, we really appreciate it. Bye-bye.
End of message.